Hey, let me show you the fingerprint sensor test on the Redmi Note 13. So I'm gonna make like 10 tries and we are going to check how fast is this sensor and if it is actually reliable. So it's actually located right here on the screen. Okay, so as you can see, it works pretty fast and it's definitely faster than on the Samsung Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. On this smartphones you can also find the sensor in the screen, but this one it's like definitely faster. So I'm touching the screen and it likes immediately unlock the phone. So this is pretty good. It's also reading my fingerprint all the time. There's also nice animation. This animation for me looks better also on the Redmi Note 13 than on the Samsung Galaxy A35 or A55. So yeah, as you can see, that's how the sensor works. It's really fast and it's reliable. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.